Discover the secrets to perfectly styled homemade or personalized interior design tips. Make every space shine. So hello everyone and welcome back. In this today's video I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Wix and build your own professional website. Let's get into it. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and type into wix.com. So this is the homepage. You have your first information, but before let's know what is Wix. Wix is a cloud-based website development platform that allows users to create and design websites using a drag and drop interface. It offers a range of customizable templates, design tools, and features to help individuals and businesses build professional looking websites without needing advanced coding skills. So if you scroll down, we have here how you can create a website for free. So follow the six simple steps to create a website today. So the first step is choose a platform, sign up for a secure, reliable and powerful website builder. Then we have start creating, choose from over the 900 fully functional templates or use the EA website builder. You have the third step is customize your website. Use the drag and drop editor and tailor your site to fit your brand. Then we have here optimize for search engines. Increase your site's visibility with a suite of built-in SEO tools. Then you have publish your website, register and connect a custom domain name and go live. Then we have promote and drive traffic. Use built-in marketing tools to grow and expand your reach. So I will show you step by step how you can do that. So you can just first click over get started. Then you can just write your personal email and you confirm your email again. As you can see, then you write your password, confirm your password, then you click over sign up. So once you do that, you have to here, let's get started. Who are you creating a website for? So we have here for myself, my business, or a friend. Then we have for a client as a freelancer or an internship. So let's click over the second one and we'll click over continue. So we have here agencies and freelancers. Wix Studio is the platform for you. So we have the first one, manage multiple clients, sites and projects, all from one workspace. Then we have here collaborate and create with your team in real time on the canvas, design with custom breakpoints, code, free animations and responsive EA. Ensure a seamless handover with personalized client kits. So let's click over continue with Wix and that's it. So we have here bring your ideas to life with EA. Tell us about just the site you are creating and get a personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. So you can just click over set up without here. And you have your type of website you want to create. For example, I will click over portfolio and I will click over continue again. Then we have to tell us about your portfolio. We will use EA to tailor your setup journey, recommend tools and personalized content for your site. For example, I will write and then I'll click over continue. Then we have here what are your goals for this site. We selected this based on your answers. Add any others you like. So we have here showcase creative work, get blocked online, sell products, offer online courses. So you can just click over continue once you choose what you think you want. Then we have what else do you need to manage your site. Choose below and we will make sure you have the right tools. Then you click over finish and let's wait for the dashboard. So let's wait here, we have a light on your dashboard and this is my dashboard. So You have here various information here. We have here as various options. All you have to do right now is click over the design site, and then we have here how would you like to design your website. So we have the first one, generate a design with EA, get a personalized site design in seconds. Generate a design. Then we have customers, a template, browse thousands of designs, then pick one to customs. So let's click over generate a design, the first one, and let's wait. So Wix offers several benefits for website creation, including its intuitive drag and drop interface that allows users to design and customize websites easily without coding knowledge. It provides a wide range of templates and design tools, enabling users to create professional looking sites tailored to their needs. Additionally, Wix includes built-in features such as SEO tools, e-commerce capabilities, and mobile optimization, making it a comprehensive solution for both personal and business websites. Its flexibility and ease of use make it a appealing choice for those looking to establish a strong online presence quickly. So all I have to do right now is first this site brief. Your site's ready for you to adjust the content and design. Click on what you want to change in the brief. So we click over continue with this video, and then we have you complete the site with your own domain. Give your site a more professional look with a branded domain name. So let's click over let's go, and let's wait. So in summary, Wix is a versatile and user-friendly platform that simplifies website creation with its drag and drop functionality and extensive design options, making it accessible for users with varying levels of technical expertise. So here we have here add elements, add section, pages and menu, and we have site design, add apps, and we have my business here, media, CMS, as you can see. So you can just click over the one you want. For example, we have here add. So we have here image, pattern, and other things. So as you can see, put on setup, and we have here decorative box gallery. If you don't want gallery, you have also to upload your image, and you can modify it all you want. You have video and music, interactive, and you have here event bookings and other things. Then we have here add section also, have a generator, welcome, about, gallery, team, contact, features, promotion, business info, services, subscribe, testimonial, and other things. So this is it for this video, guys. Hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.